News Nonsense 128, recorded with some of my YouTube friends. Enjoy. News and Nonsense. I have my returning champions. I have Dan, Jesper, Ron, and all the way from Australia, we have Vincenzo. All right, here we go. You've heard of the Terminator, and now we have the Sperminator. This is true, by the way. A New York college professor has fathered more than 80 children and has more on the way. Hence the term the Sperminator. This is real.
Wow.
I'm not going to read anymore. You can just search for this, and that's what he does. So
It sounds like a B movie.
At least
Sounds like
Man,
No, I'm the
Terminator.
Sperminator.
Spin off.
So instead of Terminator, I will Sperminate you. Hey, I'm just a messenger, okay?
Yeah.
Next, let's move on. Next story. After a Chinese zoo covered up a leopard escape, 100 chickens are searching for the big cat. What, they want to hire a cat on it? A hitman?
Oh boy.
A staff member uses a powered parachute to search for 3 leopards that had escaped from the Hangzhou Wildlife World. And 100 chickens are searching for the cat. Yeah, because who knows who is going to be the next meal.
Yeah, really.
Oh, man, that just
I would
makes
stay
me
back if I was a chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a shortage of Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, well, okay. Yeah, I heard that. Can you believe that? There's a shortage of... Oh, wow.
There's a shortage of everything. It just depends what day you turn on the TV.
I
I mean,
guess.
2 days ago it was gasoline because someone hacked into the
I
pipeline.
know. Ransomware. Use Linux and avoid it. Hummer H2 burns to a crisp. Now the owner won't need the hoarded gas. Ha
Oh boy.
Yeah. Life's a gas. But
Where do you get all that stuff from, Carmine?
Them Hummer H2s do drink a ton of
They
gas.
do drink a lot. Yeah. Okay. All right. More auto. This is from the Autoblog, by the way, .com. Okay. California man charged with using COVID loans to buy a Ferrari. They should give him a medal. What are you talking about?
COVID loan.
COVID loans.
What is that?
smart guy.
A Southern California man has pleaded
COVID
not
loans.
guilty. He obtained $5 million in federal coronavirus relief loans for phony businesses and used the money for vacations. Wait. He bought a Ferrari, a Bentley, a Lamborghini.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
He's just being a congressman. What's the problem?
He can almost make his
Right.
own rules, I think. I don't know.
Well, at least he had good taste. At least he didn't buy a Chevy. No, but all right, one more. This is from livescience.com. And wow. Alcohol made from radioactive Chernobyl apples seized by Ukraine government. So you people overseas might have been drinking radioactive alcohol. You know what that means? Your cannolis may start glowing.
Hey, look at him. He's got green balls. Right through his trousers.
This is a family channel, so I can't
Go
go
ahead.
anymore. But
Don't buy a bottle of
demonetized. Oh well,
Either.
that's life. Yeah. So there you go. Radioactive. So Jesper. So instead of saying skull, cheers, it would be what's the word radioactive in Danish? Radioactive.
Danish,
Yeah.
Ay caramba.
That's Spanish. Right. Really.
radioactive.
Radioactive.
Boy.
Radioactive.
Okay.
Radioactive.
Radioacto.
Tiv.
How do you say green balls in Danish? Okay, we're going off.
Glowing
Do you really want to hear
No,
that?
well, you know, like
No,
green-
I can say.
How do you say green soccer balls? There we go.
Grønne boller.
Quandabala.
Grønne boller.
Quandabala. There you go.
Eller grønne nosser.
Quandabala, Quandanusum. Okay.
Grønne nosser.
NASA.
Well, On that note, tell my friends who watch this later, Guandabala.
You have problems
I think
pronouncing
I had too much
and
wine.
O
Okay.
in Danish.
We'll have to do like how to speak Danish night here on the Total West Today
I
Technology
can come
channel.
with some phrases you can learn.
Well, skull is
once in a
easy.
while.
Skull, cheers, skull. You know, that's something. Oh, skull. You know.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, my friends. This was fun. We all needed a laugh for tonight. So
Yeah, that was a pretty heavy one.